Want to transform static content into an interactive experience? Today, we're mastering the Flipbox widget to create high-converting professional sections. Before we dive in, ensure your toolkit is ready. For this advanced build, you will need ElementsKit Pro active on your site. Efficiency is king. ElementsKit gives you a massive library of ready-made templates. Just browse here in the sections, search for Flipbox, then choose the one you need. After that, click Insert, and here you have pixel perfect layout ready for your content. It's the ultimate shortcut for tight deadlines. So now, here, let's start with the Content tab. This is your foundation. You can upload your icon, and then you can also set the title and define the position. So for this, here is an option called Flip Style. There are so many options from here. I'm just keeping it as it is. Then there are the directions, which is left to right, see, or right to left. So you can see the changes here. Yeah. After that, there is an option which is mouse event. Here I'm keeping it as hover. Whenever you are using your mouse, it will work. You can also choose an option which is called box click. So for box click, if you click, it will change. And then another option which is button click. If you click here, it will change. Well, there is an option which is front and back. You can edit the front portion and also the back portion as well. For front portion, there are stuffs like title, the HTML tag and subtitles as well. Here the title is New York City, you can see, and the title HTML tag is H4. You can also change this as far as your need. And there is another option which is subtitle. Here I can see that the subtitle is written 4 days and 5 nights. You can change, like, you can put your contents here. And there is flip description. You can add some flip descriptions here also. Then we have an option which is button. Here you can also change the button icon, the icon position, the button text, and the back button also. So here from icon library, you can choose like your icons as per your content. Here are massive amount of icons here, or you can upload your own SVG. Also, you can choose none. So the icon, you can also change the icon position before and after. See, it went after that. So that was it for the Content tab. Now for the Styling Masterclass. Great UI UX is in the details. Use the Style tab to define your typography and spacing. And the pro tip is use a subtle box shadow and a slight border radius to give the card a modern, floating feel that invites the user to hover. Well, here in the Style tab, you can edit both the front and back side. So I'm just showing you the front portion. Here you can change the alignment. Left, right, and center. I'm keeping it in the center. And then we have background type, and then the color of the background. After that, you can choose the image. Here we can see an image of a bridge. You can add the image you want as per your content. And here you can change the image resolution. It is full here, so I'm not changing it. And the position we can see here is center. So yeah, it looks pretty well here in center. Then we have attachment, repeat, display size, and overlay. So as I have mentioned that you can change the border radius. See, you can change the border radius from here. And we have border type, which is solid here. You can select the default or none or solid. So let's keep it like this. Then we have the option called title. You can change the font, front and back of the title. There is the back portion, so here you can change the title. Then we have typography, the title color, the margin. So yeah, after that we have subtitle, description, button, and button icon. So for all of this, you can change the settings in the Style tab to make it more engaging and more attractive. Don't ignore the Advanced tab. You can use these settings to make the section look more professional with just a few clicks. Adding a consistent padding or a smooth entrance animation ensures your content doesn't just appear. It arrives with a polished, high-end feel. Wow. Now, if you prefer total creative freedom, you can also build this from scratch. So here From the widget library, you can search for Flipbox widget with the EKit badge. Just drag and drop. See how simple it is. So you can customize your content and style it the way you want. Always check your responsiveness, ensure your text remains legible, and your flip triggers work seamlessly on touch devices. ElementsKit handles the heavy lifting, but a quick manual check ensures perfection. See? So yeah, that was all. You have just leveled up your design game. Using pro features like these saves hours of coding while delivering a premium user experience. Like and subscribe for more professional Elementor workflows. See you in the next one.